king of Himalaya, Hemvantha, and his wife Meena Devi were great devotee of Lord Shiva. They wanted a daughter who would grow up to be a wife of Lord Shiva. So Meena Devi started performing tapasya to please Gauri Devi, wife of Lord Shiva. She sat and prayed for many days without food and water. Pleased, Gauri Devi promised to be born as Meena Devi's daughter. After some time, Gauri Devi jumped into a fire and died. She then reborn as Meena Devi's daughter and named as Parvati. The first word Parvati uttered was Shiva. She grew up to be a very beautiful woman. Meanwhile, Lord Shiva was very sad at the death of his wife and had started long meditation. King Hemvantha worried that Lord Shiva might not accept Parvati as his daughter as he was in deep meditation, and requested Narada to solve his problem. Narad told him that Parvati could win over Shiva through prayers. So, King Hemvantha sent Parvati to a place where Lord Shiva was meditating. Day and night, Parvati worshipped and served Lord Shiva. Though pleased with her devotion, Lord Shiva decided to test her. He disguised himself as young Brahmin and told Parvati that it would not good to marry Shiva, who lived like a beggar and had nothing. Parvati got angry when she heard these words about Shiva. She said she would not marry anyone but Shiva. Pleased with her answer, Lord Shiva reappeared in his real form and promised her to marry. Children, this was a story of today. Hope you like it. Please do share with your friends and ask them to subscribe also, because there are so many mythological stories which I am going to bring for you only. Till then, bye. Keep watching.